G'day guys, if you want to learn how to make games on Roblox, make sure to follow along. So come up to Create, Library, Plugins, make sure to sort by Most Favorited of all time, and just type in Studio Plus. Click Search, and the plugin should be located right here. Make sure the creator is by CKStudio Plus, otherwise you might get a bad copy. Click Install, and it will install over to Roblox Studio. Alrighty. Studio Plus is successfully installed. Okay, now to use it, we just go New, Baseplate, and we're going to see a pop-up on our left screen here. And basically, what this is an educational program teaching you how to make games. If we click on New Courses, it has a bunch of courses here that we can follow along. I've done a couple just to test things out. So let's follow along with this. I'll just show you. We'll start from the beginning. So it's going to automatically set up a stage for us, and it's going to give us a link. If we bring that link into Google, click enter, it's going to lead us to a website, specifically the course page of the course that we're currently doing. So I've got it on the side screen. We're going to click start course, and it is going to give us some requirements or some missions to do. And basically, on the website, there is going to be a video which teaches you how to do these, and you'd simply have to follow along. So I'm not going to watch the video, but basically it wants us to publish the game, give the place a name and description, game description, set the devices, set the max number of players, etc. I'm not gonna do that. But that's basically it. It has a bunch of other tutorials, all the way from beginner to adept. It teaches you a bunch of different things, and you unlock it over time. And if we go over to the progress, post that into the internet, it even shows you what courses you've completed, breakdowns of the project, things you have learned. It's a really good tool. Let's take a look at all the courses. So these are some of the games that you'll end up making. And yeah, that's just the rest of the courses. There's some obbies, some tycoon challenges. Yeah. So overall, it's a pretty good tool. I'm surprised it's not as popular as it should be. So yeah, enjoy.